In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI app voice recognition feature. By using Claude AI voice recognition, you'll be able to speak just through the microphone of your smartphone, and then Claude AI will also give you a response in voice format. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Claude AI app, and once you are here, log into your account before you can generate your voice chat. So instead of chatting or writing anything down here, just go to this icon. This is the voice recognition option. If I tap on it now, I'll be able to ask anything by voice. So let's go ahead and try. I'll tap on it, and you have now to give permission for this to access your audio recording. Then you'll have to allow Claude to record your audio. So I'll tap on while using this app, and then it's time to speak. So if I may ask, for how long have you been in use? I just wanted to know.
Now you do. Is there anything else on your...
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Feel free to reach out any chat or help with some...
Great. Now you can see, you can now tap on stop here to end your conversation. And here your conversation will be kept under your chats, which means you can access this later. So that's how you can use Claude AI voice recognition for chat. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.